The student wants to emphasize a difference in the origin of the two words. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, the student has taken the following notes. Started in 1925, the Scripps National Spelling Bee is a US-based spelling competition. The words used in the competition have diverse linguistic origins. In 2008, Samir Mishra won by correctly spelling the word guerdon. Guerdon derives from the Anglo-French word guerdon. In 2009, Kavya Shivshankar won by correctly spelling the word Laodicean. Laodicean derives from the ancient Greek word Laodicea. So, option choice A says Guerdon, the final word of the 2008 Scripps National Spelling Bee, is of Anglo-French origin, while the following year's final word, Laodicean, derives from ancient Greek. So this seems to be the correct answer, because this properly highlights a difference in the origins of the two words, where one of them is Anglo-French and the other is Greek. So overall, A seems to be the correct answer. B. In 2008, Samir Mishra won the Scripps National Spelling Bee by correctly spelling the word guerdon. However, the following year, Kavya Shivshankar won based on spelling the word Laodicean. This is incorrect because the focus of the student is to emphasize a difference in the origins of the two words. Instead, the option choice B simply highlights that there are two different words and doesn't mention their origins. So B is incorrect. C. Kavya Shivshankar won the 2009 Scripps National Spelling Bee by correctly spelling Laodicean, which derives from the ancient Greek word Laodicea. So this is incorrect because this simply highlights the origin of one of the words, doesn't highlight the difference between the origins of the two words. And because it doesn't mention the other word at all, we can simply eliminate option choice C. D. The Scripps National Spelling Bee uses words from diverse linguistic origins, such as guerdon and Laodicean. This is incorrect because although it does highlight that there are different origins of the two words, it doesn't properly highlight the difference in the origins of the words. It simply says that it has different diverse linguistic origins. Therefore, D is incorrect. And the correct answer is A.